Airtecnics, the air door specialist. What is an air door? An air door is a fan-powered device that creates an invisible air barrier over the doorway. It protects from cold air, hot air, drafts, pests and insects, dust and pollution, while maintaining heating, cooling, clean atmosphere, and health and hygiene. So who is using our equipment? Some of our clients include the following. Why use an air door? Commercial profitability increasing sales up to 40%. Sales increase due to the open door effect. Doorway acts as a shop window, easy access for disabled people, and increases customer and client satisfaction. Commercial air doors. Design air doors. Why use an air door? Hygienic and healthy atmosphere. Maintains heating and cooling, reduces employee absenteeism, controls pests and insects, and is a barrier against dust, pollution, and fumes. Industrial air doors. Why use an air door? Energy saving. Reduces the energy losses, HVAC capacity needs, building operational costs, and CO2 emissions. Revolving air doors. Why use an air door? Increased safety. Increases visibility and avoids collisions. Easy evacuation. A barrier against smoke. And prevents ice forming in cold chambers. Our design air doors, including Zen air doors. They're decorative, customizable, for commercial buildings and landmark buildings. Custom finishes, different colors, different finishes, floral, leather, croco, vintage, wood, screen, kaleidoscope, and inox. with logos, signage, and vinyl graphics. Some of our featured references. Our design air doors. Rund air doors. Decorative, cylindrical design, vertical or horizontal installation. Vertical installation with a stand. Horizontal installation. With custom colors. Some of our installations. Industrial applications. Cold storage. Keeps the frozen goods in perfect condition, reduces defrost costs, avoids fogging, and avoids humidity and ice formation. Other industrial applications: ovens, mines, and clean rooms. Control and regulation. Manual and automatic controllers, plug-and-play connections, interface for BMS and infrared remote control, prepared for external devices. Airtecnics, the air door specialist. Experience and market leader. 17 years producing air doors, exporting to more than 30 countries. Our catalog is in 20 languages, producing well-known brands worldwide. Specialist in quality. Wide range to cover all applications. High quality components. Strict quality and safety controls, and a very qualified R&D department. Service and export. Very competitive prices, technical after-sales support, and short delivery time. Airtecnics. You can find us at www.airtecnics.com.